Additional trading commands. Xstation provides you with a lot of possibilities to execute trades. 3 of them were presented in trading and trading from charts tutorials. Here the additional ones will be described to give you the full spectrum of possibilities that are allowed in Xstation. You can execute trades from the Market Watch window. To do so, double-click on a selected instrument. The transaction ticket will be displayed. You can select the number of lots you wish to trade, and Platform will automatically convert lots to contract value and to your margin. You can add stop loss or take profit orders as well, which you can also see expressed in pips and your currency. Next, click on the blue button if you want to buy or red button if you want to sell. Note your order will be executed and automatically added to open positions. There is another way to execute trades from the Market Watch window. Just click on the selected instrument. Note a panel appears that is exactly the same as in the Click and Trade section. Now decide on the number of lots and the direction of the trade, buy or sell. Confirm and the trade is done. Another possibility is to execute trades from already open positions. To do so, choose the instrument you wish to trade from the list that can be found in the Trading Portfolio window and double-click on it. The order screen will appear when you want to modify either sell or buy transaction depending on a deal. You can raise or decrease the number of lots and finally end the modification process by clicking the Modify button. At the same panel, you can choose the Instant Execution option from the drop-down list. This will allow you to make a choice between sell and buy. Next, follow exactly the same steps as described before. After your trade is executed, it is automatically added to open positions. You can also open a position from the Charts toolbar. The only thing you have to do is to decide on the number of lots and the direction of the trade, buy or sell. If you want, you can also open a position directly from the chart. You have to right-click on the selected instrument chart to place the order. But one significant change has to be done. In the field Type, change Pending Order to Instant Execution. Then decide on the number of lots. Add stop loss or take profit if you wish, and click on the blue button if you want to buy or the red button if you want to sell. In the same way, you can place your pending orders. If you decide to set up pending order from the Market Watch window, all you have to do is to double-click on the chosen instrument and switch the type from instant to pending. Next, set up all necessary conditions for your order and confirm by clicking on Place Order button. You can find all your pending orders in the Trading Portfolio window.